Welcome to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to allow users to change their tax regime for investment declarations within the system. Let's get started. To begin, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. From the list of options, select uKnowva Configuration. This will open the system configuration page. Now, from the left side menu, click on Apps Manager. This page displays all the applications available in your uKnowva HRMS instance. Use the search bar to search for the Investment Declaration app. Once you locate it, click on the application name to open its configuration settings. Within the configuration pop-up, locate the setting called Allow Users to select Change their regime. If you want employees to be able to choose or switch between available tax regimes while submitting their investment declarations, set this toggle option to Yes. When enabled, users will have the flexibility to select their preferred tax regime directly from the Investment Declaration module. If this setting is disabled, employees will not be able to modify their regime selection. After making the required changes, click on the Save button to apply the configuration. That's it. You now know how to allow users to change their tax regime for investment declarations in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.